Today's event was really inspiring and interesting to be involved in. It gave us an opportunity to speak to other people across other organisations that are embarking on considering how to use emerging technologies like AI and the challenges that we face in doing so. I think what was really interesting and about today's event in particular was how it considered AI from lots of different perspectives. So thinking about not only how we might be able to use this in a practical sense, but also some of the wider considerations that we need to take when using new technologies, such as the sustainable impact of using the technology and also the ethics behind using AI and how that might also impact on our workforce, which is probably a perspective, particularly on the workforce perspective, I hadn't really considered before. So I think that'll be one of my takeaways from today, considering that. I think always the highlight of events like this is that it gives you that opportunity to go and speak to other people. It helps you to understand that the issues and the challenges that you're grappling with within your own organisation are fairly universal, and that there is a huge network of people there who are open to collaboration and want to make sure that we can, as a nation in Wales, be at the forefront of this emerging technology, which was very inspirational. I think what it gives you is that confidence of knowing that there's lots of resources out there, there is that network of people that are also out there, so when you do come to a point where you're a little unsure about what the next step is, that there is that network of people that are there to draw upon. And also knowing that this is new and emerging technology, so none of us have got all the answers yet, we're all figuring this out together.